Grand Rising, joyous awakenings. Good afternoon or good evening, wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickets broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Richards. It is Sunday, so you know what that means. The market is closed, and we will be giving out support and resistance levels. Happy Sunday! This show is for education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research, but you can use the show as a foundation. The companies we are going over on this episode is Tesla, Meta, SpaceX, Berkshire B, and Eli Lilly. We saw a clear divide among these 5 companies this week. SpaceX led the group with a 5.1% gain, followed by Tesla at 4.1%. Meta and Eli Lilly were nearly flat, while Berkshire B was the laggard, down 3.4%. Tesla's rebound comes after the company reported more than 480,000 second quarter vehicle deliveries and 13.5 gigawatt hours of energy storage deployments. Eli Lilly also remains fundamentally active after reporting successful results from 2 additional phase 3 trials of, I don't know how to say this, drug retarditude. I don't know. On the chart, however, the stock finished slightly lower and remains beneath an overhead gap. All right, so let's get into these charts so I can give you these levels. Starting out with Tesla, up 4.1% on the week. On the day, on Friday, it closed at 342.27. To the downside, we got 337.80, 335.35, 332, 328, 323.65. To the upside, we got 345.15, and then the beginning of this huge gap. The gap begins at 351.25 and goes all the way to 372.90. Inside that gap, we do have some levels: 354.75, 364, and 368.60. Next, we got Meta on the week, down 0.3%. Ended up closing the week at 589.85. To the downside, we got 589.30, 584.80, 578.20, 575.45, 541.80, 571.80, and 567.45. To the upside, we have 594.70, 601.85, 604.50, 611.25, 612.45, and then the bottom of this gap here that starts at 614.75. Next, we got SpaceX, up 5.1% on the week. Ended up closing the week at 140 even. To the downside, we got 135.50, 134, 130.15, 127.60, 120.10. To the upside, we got 144, 145.05, 149.60, 153.50, 159.30. Next, we got Berkshire B. On the week, down 3.4%. Ended up closing the week at 504.03. To the downside, we got 503.75, 501.25, and then a small gap here that goes from 499.50 to 498.75. Underneath that, we got 497.25, 493.95. To the upside, we got 509.15, 512. And then we got a small gap to the upside, 514.40, all the way to 515.70. If we can get above that, we can go to 520.55 and 524.50. Next, we got Eli Lilly. On the week, down 0.4%. Ended up closing the week at 1180. To the downside, we got 1176, 1171, 1161, 1153, 1147. To the upside, we have 1189. At the bottom of this gap at 1199. That goes to 1205. Above that, we got 1220, 1229, 1240, and then the all-time high.
Chase excellence, never chase money. Why? Because money has an incredible way of finding excellence. Did you chase excellence and not money? Do you have the intellectual curiosity to learn everything you can about this incredible industry and master it? Become the smartest person in the room. Have you mastered it?
Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.